Today's video is a plan with me in my monthly pages of my Hobonichi weeks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited to show you our new kits for the monthly pages of the Hobonichi weeks. Today we are playing around with the June Geometric Kit. The June Geometric Kit is part of the series or collection that is called Geometric. There is another collection in the shop that is called the Cute Collection. They are both available at paperjoyph.com together with all the weekly pages kits from Hobonichi weeks, as well as the calendar pages for the Hobonichi weeks. Did I say from? I meant for. Can't talk today. So I've placed the weekday stickers on top. It'll fit perfectly on top, as well as the date strips. As you can see here in this close-up, it fits the bar perfectly. The only thing that isn't completely fitted to the boxes is the sidebar, because it is a very long sticker, and if I fit it, you put it down not as aligned perfectly, then it'll be really awkward. So it's a tiny bit short, as you can see there, just to give you an idea of what to expect when you get the kit. So that is completely fine. The dates of the date strip almost perfectly fits on top of the numbers that you see on your weekly, or rather monthly pages. And then let's move on to our bottom bar stickers. So you have right and left, and it fits at the bottom. There is a gap in between the last line of the monthlies as well as the bottom bar. We have a Build You sticker. We have 4 Build You stickers, in fact, and we also have date cover-up. So as you can see there, I am adjusting the sticker because it needs to be perfectly aligned, as it is fitted perfectly to that bar. That's why my bigger stickers can be a tad bit smaller or shorter in one end, because it is just a pain to take off stickers off that page. You also get script stickers. You have a bunch of paydays, out of town, deadlines, happy birthday. So it's up to you what you'd like to use. They are very tiny, so it fits very comfortably within the boxes. I also have the strip stickers that fits across 2 days, so if there's anything happening, and you can mark it down just like that, and even put the script stickers on top. And then I'm also going to put down another Build You right there, because we do have 4. And that is the page done. I'm going to save those stickers just in case. And if there's any special day that I want to mark, then I'm gonna go ahead and put down the date, or rather date covers on it. You can write important notes on top of the stickers as well, because it is fountain pen friendly. So you can see there, it really shows up, no feathering. And sneak peek, we do have new Sticker Joy sheets that will be coming out June 3rd week. I will be releasing this Saturday some new sheets for the mini happy planner. They are also reformatted. They're actually ready. If you follow me on IG, you should already see them by now. And also, please join our FB group, which is paperjoyph Planning World. I also post sneak peeks on there and my printables. So that is us for today. The planning is done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel, paperjoyph. Go ahead and like our Instagram, paperjoyph, and our FB page, as well as our FB group. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!